Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to change the Facebook name. For that, you need to head into your Facebook application on the device. Then on the top right corner, there is the hamburger icon. Tap on that. This will let you access to the menu of the Facebook. When you scroll down, you'll be able to find out settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. When you get access in the settings and privacy, tap on see more in account center. Now tap on profiles. Tap on the Facebook and on this page tap on name. Now you can easily change your name on the Facebook. Make sure you haven't changed your name on the Facebook from the last 90 days. Once you have changed the name, then you can tap on review change and easily change the name on the Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming videos on our channel. Thank you.